In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a bill in Zoho Books. This process is essential for all users who need to keep accurate financial records and ensure that all expenses are documented. So let's dive into it. First off, you'll want to ensure you're logged in to your Zoho Books account and are on the main dashboard. Once you're there, head over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Purchases. This is where you manage all your purchase transactions, including bills. Once you click there, you'll see several options. Go ahead and click on Bills. This will bring you to the section dedicated to managing your bills. In the Bills section, you'll see an option to create a new bill. Simply click on New, which will start the process of recording a new bill. This opens up a form that you'll need to fill out with all the relevant details regarding your bill. Start by selecting the vendor. Click on Select a Vendor, and either pick from your list of existing vendors or add a new one if this is your first transaction with them. After selecting your vendor, you need to input the bill number, which is the number assigned by the vendor on the bill. It's important for keeping track of different bills from the same vendor. Next, select the bill date. This should be the date listed on the bill you received. Similarly, you'll want to select the due date, which marks when the payment is expected by the vendor. Also, make sure to select your payment terms from the drop-down menu. Payment terms define the timeline you have to settle the bill, often agreed upon when initially setting up the vendor relationship. After setting the dates, it's time to get into the item details. Click on Item Details and then select Add New Row to add the products or services linked to the bill. Be sure to specify the quantity, rate, and any applicable descriptions to ensure your records are detailed and accurate. Once you've entered all the necessary data, it's a good idea to save your progress frequently. You have options to save as draft if you wish to come back and complete it later, or save as open if you're ready to proceed with reviewing or recording payments against this bill. To record a payment, find the particular bill and click on Recored Payment. This brings up the payment entry screen where you will input the payment made. Make sure to include the date of payment. You can specify through what method the bill was paid by using the drop-down for Paid Through, selecting options like bank transfer, credit card, etc. If necessary, you can handle attachments related to the transaction by selecting from the drop-down for attachments. Once you've confirmed all details are correct, click Save as Paid to finalize the transaction, or Save as Draft if you need more time to complete it. And there you have it, a detailed walkthrough for recording a bill in Zoho Books. This process ensures your financial records are kept up to date, making auditing and reporting much smoother. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to consult Zoho's help resources if you need further assistance.